I have made attempts, and so no. The answer is no. I've not gotten any advances that there is any progress in that regard. I don't think there will be because it's lies. It's lies.
Former EFF member Ndlozi has officially resigned from the party, marking the latest high-profile departure from the Red Berets. Speaking to the SABC on Sunday night, Ndlozi revealed his decision to leave party politics and pursue contributions in different capacity, and said, "I have handed over my resignation. I have left the EFF and the party politics altogether. Where I want to go and contribute, I can't hold a single party membership. I believe I have made my contribution, and it's time for others, young and old, to carry the torch in party politics." Ndlozi's resignation follows months of speculation and internal tensions within the EFF. His departure is part of a wave of exits by prominent members, including former deputy leader Fred Shibambo, former national chairperson Dalimpofu, ex-public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane, and former government spokesperson Zanele Manyi. These figures have defected to Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto weSizwe party. The situation worsened after Ndlozi was sidelined during the EFF's National People's Assembly in December, where he was reportedly barred from attending and suspended 6 weeks prior. The suspension, he argued, was irregular and lacked alignment with the party's constitution, and said, "I was told to stay at home and not participate in parliamentary or party activities. The reason given was that an investigation was ongoing and I will be allowed to respond once it concluded. These are very serious allegations and I felt the need to clear my name." Ndlozi's fallout with the EFF leadership allegedly stemmed from his association with Shibambo, who had defected to the Umkhonto weSizwe party. The EFF leader Julius Malema criticized Ndlozi for not disclosing Shibambo's intentions to leave, with further tensions arising after Ndlozi's wife, actress Mabatho Motso, liked Shibambo's defection announcement on Instagram. Despite the accusations, Ndlozi maintained it was not his responsibility to inform the party of Shibambo's political moves. As one of the EFF's founding members, Ndlozi played a pivotal role in shaping the party's public image, previously serving as its national spokesperson and a member of parliament. While the EFF has yet to release an official statement, party spokesperson Snao Tambo acknowledged Ndlozi's public announcement as a formal resignation and extended well wishes for his future endeavors. Ndlozi concluded by expressing optimism for the future of South African politics, noting the potential for a new voice to drive change, and said there are brilliant minds in the space of party politics who will continue this important work. He also confirmed that he loves the EFF and its supporters. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.